Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2631st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Hey, I'm back. It's nice to be back. I'm back from the Rockies, sitting in my seat. Very interesting happenings here. This video is coming at you on August 28th, and it's filmed for trading on August 29th. 2023. Please remember the risks behind trading. This is a very risky game. Risky. Put your stops in, put them in first. Does not matter what type of market you're trading. So, first thing I need to do is apologize. Traders, the last video I put out was on this day right here, and I said risk is back on. And guess what happened? The market went straight down that day. Bad video, and I don't want to hear a word from you cats because I'll bet it cost me a lot more than it cost you. It's going to take me a month to get that day back. But we're day traders, right? These things happen. Now let's go to a slightly bigger picture and check this out. Here's what I'm going to say to you. I promise you, you know what my title on YouTube is, The Chart Whisperer? I am the Chart Whisperer. No one else can do this with a chart. And here's why. This chart that you're looking at right now, it'll be significant in just a moment. I want you to humor me and just listen to just a moment of this video that I filmed and put out on YouTube. I filmed it on August 17th for trading on August 18th. You'll understand in just a moment. This says the market will gain its legs in 6 to 8 days or the 34,000 level, whichever comes first. Filmed on August 17th for trading on the 18th. It's called OMNI to project and serve. Now listen to this for just a moment. We've got about 6 to 8 more days, trading days of downside, or the 34,000 area in Dow Jones. We're going to drop to somewhere near the 34,000 area, or we're going to drop for 6 to 8 more days, and then it's likely going to find its legs, whichever comes first. Whichever comes first, either 6 to 8 days or 34,000. Now let's go back and look at this chart. No one can do this. Check this out, kids. I filmed that video on August 17th, this day, for trading August 18th would be the next day. And you seen me say in that video, here's my projection. Either 34,000 or 6 to 8 more trading days, right? Watch this. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, the bad day for me. Day 6, you know what happens on day 6? We get to 34,029. The low is set, and look what just happened. We've already started to take off, and the Omni is green for trading on Tuesday. Who can do that, kids? Let me ask you, is that not sick? That is sick. Right there, as projected. So, slightly longer term picture, we are right in line for this thing to start running higher, and risk is back on. With that in mind, when I said risk on, the only one day we had against us was this one. It's been going up since I did that video. We had the one down day, it grabbed itself at 34,000 or the 6th day and started to take off. Now look at one more example for you. You've got the NASDAQ. It happened exactly the same way. I filmed that video on this day, and exactly 6 days later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bottom is in. It's starting to go. It's gotten, or getting above this channel. It has closed above this channel right here. And that, my friends, is how to use a chart. Let's turn this to another color. I want you to see it. There you go. Boom. So it's getting above that channel. It's still acting well. Risk on behavior is still prevalent. So don't be afraid. Buy the dips. And how about that, kids? That was fantastic as far as I'm concerned. To be able to work out a call like that and watch it happen, the crime, me losing money in between, well, let's not talk about that. But to make that call and watch it happen is pretty darn good analysis. Let's see where we go from here. I'm going to leave, by the way, that entire video, I'll leave a link for that video on the 17th, filmed for the 18th, underneath this video in the description, so you can see that whole video for yourselves. What I'd like to say is subscribe to my videos. This is good info, right? Subscribe to these videos. Do that now so you're alerted. And then remember, join me at livewithoscar.com. And then the biggest thing you can do is this. Are you with me, kids? Say it with me. You know what I'm going to say by now. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.